Fresh guacamole, straight from Mexico. My God. It is heaven on earth. Wow. Hi, I'm Christina Monte Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make authentic Mexican guacamole straight from my home in Cabo. Think of it this way, if I am going to serve 4 people, I'm going to do about 4 avocados. All right, so you're cutting up your avocado. Okay, so we go this way and we go around. Oh gosh, the pit just fell out. That's a really ripe avocado. I've mashed down my avocado with my molcajete, or as we say in the US, my mortar and pestle. Oh my goodness, it looks awesome. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit of onion, cilantro, jalapeno, some lime, and then the secret here in Mexico is we put a little bit of white vinegar to keep it a bright, beautiful green. And the lime juice will help do that as well. But the Mexicans, the locals, say always to add a little bit of white vinegar. So that's what we're gonna do. Add a little bit of white onion, about 1/4 of a white onion, or 1/4 cup. And just slowly add it in, and then if you want more, add more. Okay, here's 1 jalapeno pepper. I do about 1/2 of a bunch of fresh cilantro. I love the taste of it. Some people don't like it. I love it. The juice of a lime. The final ingredient is a little bit of white vinegar, just to keep it nice and bright green. Then you just want to mix it. You can put red onions with this, which will taste delicious as well. And then we'll just do salt and pepper to taste. All right, so let's see, how do we think this came out? I don't know. We'll try it. Cheers. Oh, God. That's a little messy. And I need more heat. There we go. Thank goodness for chili, right? A little bit more lime. All right, let's give it a little mixy mix. I think it's gonna be perfect now. And when you do your guacamole with red onion, I didn't have any today, it gives it a nice color also, nice contrast with all the green. That's a great thing to do. All right, let's try it out now. Give myself 1 big scoop here. Fresh guacamole, straight from Mexico. My God. It is heaven on earth. Wow. Thanks for watching. I hope you try this recipe. It's so good.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Have a healthy day.